Hey YouTube, how is it going? Welcome to my channel Coding Beatles, and I'm back with the fifth tutorial of HTML series. Today we will learn about how to insert an image in your website. So let's get started. So you have to learn that for image tag is usually a single tag. It's just img and this is the source. Here you have to give the address of any picture that you want to show. So let me find some picture which I can give here. Let's give this one. You have to remember, you have to copy the extension of the file, but first let me take it to my desktop, V, and then copy the image name with its extension, then paste it within the source attribute, and then let's save it and see how is it shows in the website. Here, as you can see, this image of Hulk has taken more than the place and we can't see it properly. So what can we do? Image tag has many other attributes, like we can we can adjust the height of the picture. Height, and height we can give in percentage also or in pixel also. Let me give it in let me guess 800 pixel. Let's save it and head back to the browser, refresh. See, it's changed. It's just adjust the height. Now let's add width. Not 1000, let's give 500 pixel. Let's save it, head back to the browser and refresh. It's a bit odd, I can understand. So let's see what else we can do. That's 800. Let's give this 1000. Let's head back to the browser, refresh. Yeah, more or less now you can at least see what it is. And suppose it's the image that you want to show in your website is not in the same folder or in a different directory, then by giving only the name and the extension will not work. For that you have to go to the site, or go to the directory, and first it's right click, properties, then the directory, the location, Control C, Control V, and then front slash, and then the name of the image with the extension. Always remember guys, don't forget about writing the extension of the image or it will be not shown. Now let's save it and head back to our browser and let's refresh. Here you can see it has changed. Now if we remove the directory and then save and head back to your browser, now you can see after I will refresh, it will not show anything. See, the image is not here. So guys, remember, always we have to write the extension of the picture. And as you can see here, only the image is shown but nothing is written. Whenever you went to a browser, you have seen when the image is not showing, with this image icon beside this, here the name of the image or something is given. We can also do that. For that we have to add another attribute, that is alternate attribute. What alternate attribute does is, whenever the image is not loaded, it shows an alternate word or sentence or anything you have written within the alternate attribute, or given a image link or something, anything in the alternate attribute, it will be shown in that place. Usually image links don't work, but alternate word or something is written to tell the user that this thing was there in the place of the image, this kind of image was there. Let's paste it here, Control save, open the browser, refresh and see, beside the image icon the name of the image is shown because I wrote the name of the image. If I cut this few words and save, and now see anything you enter in the alternative tag, it will be shown in place of the image when the image is not loaded. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like this video and do comment to inspire me to give more videos for you, and don't forget to share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Coding Beatles and click on the notification icon to get more updates on my latest videos. And till then, tata, goodbye and take care.